guys, welcome back to our YouTube video. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys what is the better kit and the free kits for this week. And first of all, don't question my avatar. And now I have actually two other alts right here. This is my first alt. I think a lot of you guys already know that. And I think this is not gonna disconnect, right? Yeah. So if I go to my so let me get my other alt real quick. So this alt is actually using my other alt, not this one. My other alt I'm gonna be using is Windows 10. So I might lag out. So I don't really have anything that's really laggy right now. Yeah, join. So I'll probably do this, I believe, on Tuesday. Not Tuesday, I mean, I'll probably make a video after I come to school once the update comes out, because, you know, the update's coming out on Monday, and Monday is like the first day of school, if you guys don't know for me. The 16th is the first day of school. So right now, I'm going to make a custom match. I'm just going to do doubles. Who cares? And right now, I'm going to be showing what the melody does. And I think if you guys don't watch other YouTubers, and you just watch like you just watch me or like other YouTubers that don't really do BEDWARS, you guys might not know what the melody does. So I'm just now, am I lagging right now? Reset. Please reset. It's on all my accounts, guys. It's on all my accounts. What is wrong? If I do this, all my other accounts are burned. And right now, I can't really load. And there it is. So I'm just going to be on blue team. And then I'm going to be red team. And I'm going to be red team, and my island maker account is going to be blue team. Let's start the match real quick. Not really going to use any accounts. So we're red team, and my other account's blue team. I think that's his team. Let me see. Yeah, so I'm just going to get a bunch of iron real quick and go to his base. And also my other alts, aka my friend alts, is actually gonna help me too, because I need to demonstrate this what's that called? I need to demonstrate this kit with my alt, because if you read the description of this, which I didn't read right now. So first off, I'm gonna bridge to my other to blue team, aka my other alts team. If you guys mind, and speaking of blue, comment down your favorite color. And my favorite color is the team I'm on right now, blue. So right now, I'm not gonna oof yet. So I'm gonna make my alt take some damage. Like, my alt's gonna take some damage. That's what you should do. And then, let me go on Windows 10. And first of all, can you please stop? Okay, so what the melody does, I don't have my guitar yet, so oopsie doopsie. So let me get my guitar, 20 iron. Thank you. I'm gonna get my guitar. What this guitar basically does, I can't even speak right now. Anyways, what this guitar is actually heals us. So let me take some damage real quick. And what this does is it basically heals. You see, plus 20 and all that stuff. That's how much heal it does. So if I do it again, you can see. Let me move my alts real quick. I'm gonna put it right over here, and then go on my Windows 10 account. You guys can see it's moving, right? So right now what I'm gonna do, oh my god, it's so laggy. So what I'm gonna do is basically heal. It's gonna heal damage. So while I'm gonna hurt this account, and unfortunately you can't heal yourself. That's actually a big oof right there. You can't heal yourself. That's sad. So right now what I'm gonna do is just basically, now let's go to the builder. So let me just we're just basically gonna win. Thank you! Yeah, thank you! So let's go right now. I'm just gonna wait. Returning lobby in 3. Really? Why is it resetting? There it is. There it is. There it is. So right now, what I'm gonna do is create the party. So the party just reset it again, and now let's do Roblox, which I think it just disconnected. So I'm just gonna leave, and I believe each time no L right there. Get that L, and let's join back on my Windows 10 account. I don't know why Windows 10 is not 3. But anyways, though, let me equip the builder right here. And I think a lot of people guys already know builder because it's been free for a lot of time. And I think it's like the earliest. Yeah, it's like one of the first kits to be free. The first kits to be free. The first kits. It wasn't the first kit to be free, I believe, but it was one of the first kits, I'm saying. So the farmer, the barbarian, and the builder were like one of the first kits. So right now, I should go on right here and go. Right now I'm gonna go Roblox CNRB Roblox. So right now, let me just custom match. Let's do doubles. Who cares? Who cares? I just picked random. I don't know really. Okay, I just picked that farm. I just picked a farm map. And yeah, this looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. So right now, I'm gonna pick, my alt's gonna be blue. And my Windows 10 is gonna be blue. And I'm gonna be red too. So let's start the match. So right now, what I think I should do is basically, yeah, here's my Windows 10 account right there, and the builder is actually, I don't need to go to my I don't really need to go to the other team base, but I'm just gonna go over here, and I'm just getting the iron while my alt accounts just say hi, and let me go on this account. So basically what I should do is basically just on my alt right now, what I should basically do is get some blocks and protect the bed. Oh, I don't really need to protect the bed, but I'm just doing it because for normalsies. So let me get about 16 iron right there. Okay, I'm on the wrong eye. So let me get a bit of blocks. So you guys can see I got 32 blocks. Or actually, how can you guys see? So right now, I'm just now gonna protect the bed, and it's gonna be pretty useful but not for me. So what this thing does is, let me get the hammer real quick. Not this one right here. Let me get the hammer right here. And now after, I'm gonna get some iron real quick, and you guys can see. You said one iron, like one iron. You guys can see all the one iron stuff, right? So it's basically upgrading. So you guys can see it's gonna take a lot. So if I place one block right here, my alt did it. I mine a bit faster, but for this one, I mine a bit slower because it's upgraded. So if I place a bit more blocks on my alt, let me place a bit more blocks. Not my sword, God. If I place a bit more blocks on my alt, okay, it's about one iron each, and the better the blocks, like for example stone brick, it's gonna cost higher for the upgrade because it's already pretty good. And that's basically how you use the hammer real quick. That's how you basically use the hammer and stuff. Now the fun to finish it off the video. Let me see how much minutes we have left. We have, yeah, that's kind of it for the video, y'all guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, see y'all next time. Bye.